Okay guys, here's an update of our progress. We actually haven't given her a name just yet, but we're working on it. So if we find one that we really like and a lot, we'll post it up with a new name. But the 15th, a couple days ago, was Dino's get down, and Scott at GSI saw the frame that we did on my Instagram account and said, you know what, it'd be nice if I could have this truck there for them in their booth to show off the paint job. And so I worked really hard to get everything together. We slammed the seats in, put a steering column, just mocked it up, put it in there to where I could actually turn the wheels, because after we put the fenders on, which this is my black primer that I use in my business with spraying tubs. 99% of this is my tub products. Once we got the inner fender smoothed out, got them all cut and done up right, got it all clean, got a little bit of Raptor liner on the walls, and then we did the underneath the hood. You can see that, maybe the sun's shining on it a little bit. I can't tell, I got a lot of glare. Well, we got the whole front together. We got this radiator is nitrocool.com, the radiator lady. This radiator, thick, up to 1,000 horsepower, easy. This right here on the side is my power steering reservoir. You can see the nipples down there. It looks like it's one piece. On the other side is the overflow. It looks just like this side. AC condenser that will go on this, and the fans that will go on this, 2,500 each CFM, and they will put out a lot of CFM. We did quite a bit of stuff. Now I want to show you, this is the fender that's unprotected underneath, except we're gonna put some of the sound dampening underneath this. It's a black, it rolls on, or you spray it. I think you roll it on to give it more sound. Or lizard skin has some that's for sound dampening. But this is unprotected. This is our hood. Big difference. So whenever we close this, give you a little taste of that, it goes up really nice. That's how it sounds when you shut it. Anyway, we get her all slammed together and ready to go to Dino's. We get up, my dually breaks down, can't get it fixed, so I had to scramble, and I got a Home Depot truck, the flatbeds, and loaded up the trailer. The 14th well, actually it was the 15th at 2 a.m. I loaded the truck up by myself. It's not running. Pushed it out of the garage, down the driveway, got a little trailer, drank a cup of coffee, took a shower, and then my wife and I drove from here to Dino's in Glendale, Arizona, and we just drove all night. Needless to say, we forgot there was a 1 hour time difference, so we didn't show up till 11. Well, if you've ever been to Dino's, you know they don't let people in until 11 o'clock. And it was in a very large parking lot at the arena, where there's a bunch of places. Well, we get there and there's trucks already parked. And we get there and get all the way up, and Dino said that there was no way we could get our truck in there on a trailer and get it offloaded and turn our truck and trailer around. So our truck, because I was kind of upset, disappointed, not really butthurt, but I guess some people might say that, that I couldn't show it, I just left it on the trailer, covered up. I brought Scott out, showed it to him. He thought it was really cool, and it was probably a shame that I didn't get it in the booth. Let me show you a little bit of this. And so we go to bed, wake up, drive home the next morning, and I get a text on Instagram from Scott. He took a couple of pictures of the truck and posted them on my Instagram, and they are awesome pictures. And of course, about an hour later, I get another text from him where one of the guys at GSI saw us driving down the freeway, and he took a video of it on the trailer, sent it to Scott, and then Scott sent it to me. Well, not as many people saw it as I really wanted them to, but maybe it's a good thing, because there's still a lot of tricks that we're going to do to this thing to get it up and running by next show. Because I learned one thing. When you are doing a truck show, make sure you get all of your information, time to be let in, get there early, get everything done so you're not scrambling when you get there. My fault. But lesson learned. This truck will not be trailered ever again unless I'm taking 2 trucks. So we're going to start to work on getting the motor running, get a drive shaft in it, get the exhaust on it, and then get it wired up, and have it able to move on its own power. So until then, keep watching. If you haven't, oh, by the way, Dino show, amazing. Because I was being such a spoiled sport and a brat, I walked around later when I cooled down and talked to a bunch of people. So I had Dino for a second, Delmo, Chris, all the guys at GSI, Chuck Seed, a bunch of guys that I've met in the past in the SEMA. Great guys. Did miss a couple people that I was looking for. Saw them in the video here lately. But we're going to get a lot more stuff done to this. And I hope everybody stay tuned to watch what we do. Have any questions, send me a message. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, if there's something you think I should do differently, screw you. Because this is my truck. And if you can't take that as a joke, you shouldn't be on my channel. All right, guys. Stay classy. Enjoy the build. And we'll have some more content up for you soon. Thanks a lot.